If there's one company the pandemic has turned into a household name, it's Zoom. If you work from home, you've probably heard about Zoom, one of the leading video conferencing software apps on the market. It allows you to virtually interact with co-workers or employers when in-person meetings aren't possible. This makes telecommuting seem much more human, as it helps you feel connected. With the COVID-19 coronavirus wreaking havoc across the world, for instance, Zoom has become an essential tool for small, medium, and large-sized teams that want to keep in touch and continue their daily workflows with minimal disruption. The security community's newfound interest in Zoom, the suddenly critical video conferencing software, is unlike anything we've seen before. Zoom itself has said that it went from having 10 million daily active users before the coronavirus pandemic to more than 200 million now. We're conducting business, teaching classes, singing karaoke, and having beers over Zoom. Zoom has never been known as the most hardcore secure and private service, and there have certainly been some critical vulnerabilities, but in many cases there are a lot of other options, says security researcher Ken White. It's absolutely fair to put public pressure on Zoom to make things safer for regular users. But I wouldn't tell people don't use Zoom. Zoom's sudden ascendance as a critical communications vector for millions of Americans has understandably put it in the spotlight, which has led to a flurry of research and media coverage about the company's security flaws and design decisions that make it insecure or not ideal in a variety of ways, both critical and relatively insignificantly. Amid the continued state lockdowns, the video conferencing platform has become a lifeline for schools and businesses and a gathering place for virtual cocktail hours, birthday parties, workout classes and even weddings. And that hasn't escaped the notice of some of the world's biggest technology companies, including Facebook and Google. The two tech giants are now gunning for Zoom by ramping up their own group video apps, raising questions about whether they'll be able to successfully eat Zoom's lunch by leveraging the immense advantages they hold in scale and existing user loyalty. The added competition will also test whether Zoom has done enough to allay the privacy concerns that cropped up as its service was taking off. Facebook last week announced a new service it's calling Messenger Rooms, which doesn't require a Facebook account and allows up to 50 people to meet virtually for as long as they like. This week, Google said its video conferencing tool for businesses, Google Meet, will now be free to everyone with an email address, allowing up to 100 people to meet for as long as they like. By comparison, Zoom's free tier allows 100 people to meet for up to 40 minutes at a time.
I lead IT for Uber. Uber is a logistics and technology company, but we are mostly known for running cars. We have 15,000 plus employees in 400 plus offices around 70 plus countries. So there is really no other way to collaborate and communicate other than a great video conference solution. And we Zoom. We Zoom all the time. Zoom has been used by our employees in our company for over 3 years. We grew with the company, we grew very fast, and thankfully Zoom was able to keep up with us. It's a part of our fabric. We are a very chatty group of employees. We love to collaborate. It's a great way to get on Zoom with a bunch of people around the world. We like that anybody on the go can use it. We have a very mobile workforce. And we don't want to be tied down just to offices, so just 400 plus offices is not only the issue, we are everywhere. It's very important to have the most easy way to.
The intensifying competition means consumers will have more choices for group video calls. But there are also long-term implications for the market and whether user demand will support multiple providers or if a single winner will emerge. To measure its success, Zoom, ZM, has turned to a metric known as daily meeting participants, or the number of people Zoom hosts in meetings during a given day. It's not quite the same metric as daily users, because one user can participate in several meetings throughout a day. Have you used Zoom for video chat or conferencing? Leave a comment about your experience. Let us know if you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of new uploads.